Hello everyone and welcome back Global Chat English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Jack. Hey, and I am very happy to be here with you today.
It is so good to see you again, Jack. How are you?
I am doing great, Julie, but I am a little bit tired today.
Oh, really? Long day?
Yes, I tried to speak only English the whole morning and my brain said, please stop.
Oh no, poor brain.
What about you? How are you feeling today?
I feel good, but I was nervous this morning.
Nervous? Why?
I had to speak English with a new person.
Ah, that feeling. I know it.
My heart was like boom, boom, boom.
Yes, and your hands feel cold.
And your mind goes blank.
Exactly. You forget even hello.
So today, I think we should talk about this.
About feeling nervous when speaking English?
Yes, and how to feel confident.
Oh, I love this topic. Everyone needs this.
Yes, because many people understand English.
But they are scared to speak.
That's right.
Can I tell a small story?
Yes, please. I love your stories.
Thank you. When I was learning Spanish, I was very shy.
Really? You? Shy?
Yes, I was not this cool.
Oh.
I went to a coffee shop in Mexico.
Wow, that sounds scary already.
I wanted to order coffee. Simple, right?
Yes, very simple.
But when the lady looked at me,
Your brain stopped?
completely stopped. Zero. Empty.
Oh no.
I forgot the word for coffee.
No way.
Yes, I just pointed and said, this, please.
That is cute.
I felt so embarrassed.
But did she understand?
Yes, she smiled. She was kind.
See, that is important. Most people are kind.
Yes, that day I learned something.
What?
You don't need perfect English. You need courage.
Wow, that is powerful.
I think people feel nervous because,
Because they're afraid of mistakes.
yes, they think, what if I say something wrong?
Or what if they laugh at me?
But mistakes are normal.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
Me too.
Yesterday I said, I am boring instead of I am bored.
Oh, that is a classic mistake.
Yes, my friend looked at me very confused.
Because I am boring means you are not interesting.
Exactly, but we laughed.
See, mistakes can be funny.
And funny moments help us remember better.
So, what is the first tip?
Speak slowly.
Yes, many learners speak too fast.
They think fast English is good English.
But slow English is clear English.
And when you speak slow,
You have time to think,
you feel calm.
and the other person understands you better.
Let's show an example.
Okay.
Fast version.
Hi, I am fine. How are you today? I am very happy.
That is scary.
Now, slow version.
Hi, I am fine. How are you today?
So much better.
Yes, slow is powerful.
By the way,
Yes?
if you are enjoying this conversation,
Please subscribe to Global Chat English channel
yes, join our English family.
and give this video a like.
It helps us make more simple English videos for you.
Okay, now back to our topic.
Many learners try to use big words,
Yes, very complicated words.
but simple English is beautiful.
For example,
Instead of saying, I am extremely exhausted,
just say, I am very tired.
easy, clear, natural.
Native speakers use simple words too.
Yes, we are not robots.
I want to share something.
I'm listening.
When I first started teaching English,
You were nervous?
very nervous.
But you are amazing now.
Thank you. But in the beginning,
What happened?
I was scared students would ask difficult questions.
Oh, yes.
One day, a student asked me about grammar.
And?
I did not know the answer.
What did you do?
I said, "That's a good question. Let me check."
That is honest.
Yes, and it felt good.
So you don't need to know everything.
Exactly. Just be honest.
Confidence grows with practice.
Yes, start small.
Like saying hello to a shopkeeper.
Or asking, "How is your day?"
Small steps.
Big result.
Even talking to yourself helps.
Yes, I talk to myself in English.
Me too. Sometimes in the shower.
Same.
I say, today I will cook rice.
That is practice.
And nobody judges you in the shower.
True. The shower is very kind.
I want to say something serious.
Go ahead.
If you feel nervous, it means you care.
Wow, that is deep.
Yes, you want to improve.
And that is beautiful.
Don't stop because of fear.
Fear is normal.
But action is stronger than fear.
Even one sentence in English is a victory.
Yes, celebrate small wins.
Do you remember when you said sheep wrong?
Oh no, not that story.
Yes, that story.
I wanted to say I saw a sheep.
But you said,
Something very embarrassing.
that is so funny.
But did you stop speaking English? No, I kept going.
That is the spirit.
So today we learned something important.
Yes, feeling nervous is normal.
Speak slowly.
Use simple words.
Practice small conversations.
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
English is not about perfection. It is about connection. Wow, I like that.
Me too.
Before we go,
We have a question for you.
when was the last time you felt nervous speaking English?
Write your answer in the comments.
We read every comment.
Yes, and we are proud of you.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
Goodbye, Julie.
Goodbye, Jack.
And goodbye, everyone.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.